नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
Let us cover exercise 1.2 in this class. So the first question is, which of the following are the examples of the null set? So let us see the first bit. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So there won't be any odd natural numbers divisible by 2. That's why it is an empty set. So how do you justify this? So set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2 is an empty set because odd natural numbers are not divisible by 2. Now look at the second question. Set of even prime numbers. So there is one even prime number, that is 2. So it cannot be a null set. So how do we justify this? Set of even prime numbers is 2, which is not empty set. Then look at the third question. X such that x is a natural number where x less than 5 and x greater than 7. So is there any number which is less than 5 and greater than 7? So both the conditions will not satisfy with any number. So that's why it is a null set. So how do we justify this? X such that x is a natural number where x less than 5 and x greater than 7 is an empty set because there is no natural number which satisfies them simultaneously. What are the two conditions which it doesn't satisfy? X less than 5 and x greater than 7. Now moving on to the next question. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So there is no point which is common to two parallel lines. So how do we justify this? Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines is an empty set because two parallel lines do not have a common point. Take the next question. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? So let me tell you, what do you mean by finite and what do you mean by infinite? Finite means which has some limit or which is countable, which is limited. Okay. And infinite is which doesn't have any limit, which is uncountable. So now let us move on to the first bit, that is set of months of a year.
Finite.
So it is finite. So you need to give the reason as well. So the set of months of an year is a finite set because there are 12 members. The elements of the set are also called as members. So because there are 12 members of sets, which are months of the year. Next, which is the second bit? 1, 2, 3, so on. So whenever you have so on, dot, 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 that means it is infinite. So 1, 2, 3, because there is no end to it. So it is an infinite set because there are infinite natural numbers. In this set, you have infinite natural numbers. So that is why it is an infinite set. As we know that natural numbers are infinite. Next, number 3. 1, 2, 3, so on till 99 and 100. So over here, there is a limit. Okay, you have an ending point here. So that means it is a finite set. Because it contains first 100 natural numbers. Next, number 4. What is number 4? The set of positive integers greater than 100. So again, it is an infinite set because greater than 100, there is no limit. There are unlimited numbers greater than 100. So it is an infinite set because there are infinite numbers greater than 100. That is 101, 102, 103, and so on. There is no limit to it. Next, fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Set of prime numbers less than 99. So less than 99 means it is a finite set. And we know that less than 100, like from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers less than 99 also, because 99 and 100 are not primes. And that set will be starting from 2. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime, like that until 97. Take the next question. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. So the first bit is the second set of lines which are parallel to x-axis, the set of letters in the English alphabet, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5, the set of animals living on the earth, the set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. So let us start the solution here. So the first bit, that is the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis, it is infinite. As you can see, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. We can draw infinitely many lines parallel to x-axis, right? So this is infinite. Why? As infinite lines can be drawn parallel to x-axis. Next, second bit. What is the second bit? The set of letters in the English alphabet. It is finite because there are only 26 letters, as there are 26 English alphabets. Next, number 3. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Again, multiples are infinite. Remember, multiples are infinite. Factors are finite. So here they are asking you for multiples. So multiples are always infinite, as there are infinite multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. That is unlimited. Next, number 4, the set of animals living on the earth. Animals are finite, right? Because there are finite number of animals. There are finite number of animals living on the earth. Next, the set of circles passing through the origin. So passing through one point, you can draw as many circles as you can. So it is infinite. So what reason can you give over here? As infinite number of circles can be drawn passing through origin. Not only origin, passing through any single point, you can draw many circles, infinitely many circles. Take the next question. In the following, state whether A equals to B or not. So if you see the question, A is ABCD and B is DCBA. Though the order is different, but the elements are the same. So you can, what justification you can give over here? A is equal to ABCD and B is equal to DCBA are equal sets because order of elements does not change a set. Bit number 2, A equals 4, 8, 12, 16 and B equals 8, 4, 16 and 18. So you can see there is a difference here. In the first set, you have 12 and in the second set, you have 18. So both are different. So you can say that A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18 are not equal sets. Are not equal sets because 12 belongs to A and 12 does not belong to B. And 18 belongs to B and 18 does not belong to A. This is the fine reason for it. Next, third bit. A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equals X such that X is a positive even integer and X less than or equal to 10. Now see, A is given in roster form, B is given in set builder form. So let us write both of them in roster form. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B are all positive even integers less than 10. So that is also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 because he has clearly mentioned even integer. So even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. So you can say that A is equal to B, or you can say A and B are equal sets. Next, number 4. A equals X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B equals 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Again, you can see A is in set builder form and B is in roster form. So let us write A set in roster form. Then we can come to some conclusion. So multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. And B is, we will copy as it is, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So B set are all multiples of 5, excluding 5. And A are all multiples of 10. So clearly A is not equal to B. So A and B are not equal sets. Take the next question. Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give reasons. So here A is directly given in roster form 2, 3 and B is given in set builder form, and that too a quadratic equation is given to us and we need to solve this quadratic equation to find the solution, to find the elements of the set. So what is the quadratic equation given? X square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Split the middle term. 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. Now x common, you get x plus 2 plus 3 common, you get x plus 2 equals to 0. Again x plus 2 is common. So x plus 2 into x plus 3 equals to 0. So x values are minus 2 and minus 3. That means, therefore, B is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. So clearly you can see that they are not equal. Hence you can write A is not equal to B. The same way we can do the second bit, that is A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. And B is equal to Y such that Y is a letter in the word wolf. So both the sets are given in set builder form. Let us write them in roster form. Now what are the letters in the word follow? Don't repeat the elements when you write. So F, O, L, W. And what is B? Letters of the word wolf. W, O, L, F. Both are jumbled, but both the elements of both the sets are one and the same. So therefore you can say that A is equal to B. That means they are equal sets. Take the next question. From the sets given below, select equal sets. So just look at the sets. A is 2, 4, 8, 12. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. C is 4, 8, 12, 14. D is 3, 1, 4, 2. E is minus 1, 1. F is 0, A. G is 1, minus 1. H is 0, 1. So which two sets have same elements? Can you see? So there is a first similarity, that is B and D. You can just see B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is 3, 1, 4, 2. After all, the elements are the same. And there is the second equality, that is E and G. Order is different, but the elements are the same. There are no other two sets which are equal. So only these two sets are equal. B and D are equal, E and G are equal. Got it?